In this video, we are going to turn into language surgeons. We are going to dissect a few words that seem huge and absolutely impossible to memorize, and you will see that they actually consist of a few smaller words, a few stems. And I bet it will become 100 times easier for you to memorize them after you watch this video. There are actually dozens of so-called compound words. Compound words are those when you take two stems and combine them in order to create a new word. But we are going to discuss just a few that my students and I came across the most during our work. Our first word is современный, modern, contemporary, современный. This is actually one of the most commonly used words in the Russian language. It causes a lot of troubles to students until they find out that you can actually take this word apart. I'm sure you can see the stem время there. Да? Время means time. And modern, contemporary is something that exists in the same time as you exist, right? So it's with your time. С, with, and время, time. Современный, modern, современный. You see, a small trick, but I hope it makes it much easier for you to memorize this word now. Word number 2, одновременный or одновременный. This word means simultaneous. Again, a long, difficult word, but check it out. It consists of two stems. Одна, one, and время, again, time. So simultaneous is something that's happening at the same time, right? Одновременно, одновременный, одновременно. Both stresses are possible here. The next word, международный. It means international. Again, we can see two stems here. The first being между, between, между, and народ means people. It's like nation. So, международный, international, actually means between nations, right? Международный, like international relations. Международные отношения. The next word, ежедневный, daily. Еже is an old Slavic stem that is similar to the modern word каждый, every. Да? So, sounds similar. Еже, каждый. So, we can create this association. Дневный, день, of course, is a day. So ежедневный means something that happens daily. And we can create a bunch of similar words. Ежеминутный, the one that happens every minute. Ежечасный, the one that happens every hour. Час is an hour. Еженедельный, weekly. Неделя is a week. Ежемесячный, monthly. Да, месяц, a month. Ежегодный, every year, да, yearly. Год is a year. Let's look at two more adjectives. The last but one is высококачественный, high quality. Высококачественный. It's a long, scary word, but look, it consists of two stems. Высокий, high, and качество, quality. Высококачественный, high quality. The last adjective that I would like you to show is равнодушный, indifferent, равнодушный. Душа means soul, да? Душа. Равно means equal. So равнодушный when your soul is on the same level, so it doesn't change, it doesn't become excited about something. Равнодушный. Я равнодушна к такой музыке. I'm indifferent to such music. Равнодушный. Again, there are so many more adjectives like that, but these 6 are the most common that I have come across the most. And now let's look at a few nouns like that. This word you know for sure, самолет, an airplane. But it may be interesting to know that it's a compound noun. Сам means itself, лёт is the stem to fly. So самолет is a thing that flies on its own. Самолет. Сам летает. Funny fact, you may surprise somebody with it. The next one, пешеход, a pedestrian. Пешеход. You know that the Russian word for to go, for to walk is ходить. So ход is the stem. And we often ходим пешком. Пешком means on foot, so пеш and ход. Пешеход, a pedestrian. The next word, кофеварка, a coffee machine. Coffee obviously is coffee. Варить is to boil, to prepare. So it's a machine that prepares coffee. Кофеварка. The next one, a very common word if you like literature, стихотворение, which means a poem. Стихотворение. Again, it's long, but it consists of two stems. Стих means a verse, a poem itself. So actually, the short from the word стихотворение is just стих. But the full version makes sense too, because творить means to create. So стихотвор, стихотворение, a verse that has been created. And the last of this bunch of random nouns will be the word eyewitness, очевидец. So you can see the stem видеть here, to see, да? That's why видец. Очи is the old Russian for глаза, eyes. It's not that commonly used, but people still understand the word очи. It's used in all songs, in some pieces of literature, so you can sometimes hear and read this word. But of course, you say глаза on daily basis. But anyway, очи means eyes, so it's the person who saw something with his or her eye. Очевидец. Again, another compound noun. So in this video, I just wanted to demonstrate you a few examples of compound nouns in the Russian language. But I just wanted to demonstrate that you should not be afraid of long and scary Russian words. Very often it happens so that you can dissect them into little stems and they actually start to make sense. If you like this video, please remember to let me know with the likes and comments. They're very important for me. And if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe. The button is below. And I will see you in the next video. Спасибо. Пока.